So children, let us do this poem, The Swing. How do you like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide, rivers and trees and cattle and all over the countryside. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown, up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. So, children, this is a poem which a child is singing while the child is on the swing. So, the child is saying and asking that how do you like to be on a swing up in the air so blue? So, it is the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. It means that swinging in sky, swinging in air so blue and up is the most pleasantest thing which a child ever does. So the child feels that the child is up in the air and over the wall, and the child is able to see so wide, so far. The child can see the rivers and trees and cattle over the countryside. It means the child feels that he can see the whole countryside in one view, and everything is just small, and he is so big and so up in the air. Till I look down on the garden green, and when the child sees on the garden green and down on the roof so brown, and he can see even the roofs of the houses. So this is the very nice and excited feeling for a child to swing up high. So this is a poem about the pleasure of being on a swing. So now let us see the back exercises also. Only part A and B is there, you can see. So in the A part, you have to answer the questions by ticking the correct words. Okay. This poem is about a visit to the zoo. Its first day at school, the joy of going up and down on a swing. So children, part C is the correct option. The child feels a pleasure, a joy while going up and down on a swing. So C is the correct answer. Please tick C. Now question number 2 is how far does the swing go? So how far does the swing go? The swing goes up. The swing goes up till the up in the air. So how far it goes? It goes up in the air so blue. So you will write here, the swing goes up in the air and over the wall. The answer is, the swing goes up in the air and over the wall. So if you see the poem, you can find this line also. It's line number 4 or 5, I think. So the swing goes up in the air and over the wall. This is the answer. Now, last question. What is the color of the roof of the house? So the roof of the house is brown. So you will write here, the roof of the house is brown. Only brown you will write, rest is written. Now write the names of 5 things the poet sees from the swing. Now the poet is a girl here. So the girl can see so many things while swinging. So you have to write any 5 names which are mentioned, like rivers, trees, cattle, roofs, walls, garden. Okay, so any 5 you can write here. So in this way you will complete this page and you will learn this poem, children.